Account settings. In this lecture, I will show you how you go towards the account settings. We will add the staff account in this lecture. So I go to account. We are at settings. And here you see my name, Jared Field. This is the account owner. I'm the owner. I'm a staff account. I have a staff account. So if you want to add the staff account, you can add 2 with the basic plan and with your trial. So here you enter the name. And you can select the permissions, what he can do, what he can manage, and which assets he have. And you will enter here the first name and the last name right over there, and the email right over here. So example user.hotmail.com. Oh, sorry, hotmail.com. Yep. Okay, and you can click on the blue button and they will revive the email. And if they accept it, they can have the permissions to edit your store. So that's great. So the blue button right over there. So that was it for this lecture. It was a really short lecture. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope I helped you a little bit. So I will see you soon.